Welcome to this video on to move checkmate exercises. If you are a chess lover, this means you will know how important it is to practice and improve your skills to become stronger and stronger player. And what could be better than practicing specific position that help us better understand the game and develop our strategy. In this video, we will focus on situations where player has a combination to go checkmate in two moves. These exercises will help you improve your understanding of the game and become even stronger players, whether you are a beginner or already an experienced chess player. If you want to become a chess master, subscribe and practice the other exercises on the channel. So let's get comfortable and start this journey into the world of chess. Have a good practice. I remind you that if you have any doubts about the exercises, to write in the comments that we solve it together. Let's start the first exercise. Find checkmate in two moves. Move to white. Okay, let's start solving this puzzle.
Queen h7, check. King h7. King g2.
Checkmate. Let's move on with the second exercise. Find checkmate in two moves. Move to white. Well, let's get to work on solving this puzzle.
King g1. Rook e7. Queen f8.
Checkmate. Let's proceed with the third exercise. Find checkmate in two moves. Move to white. Okay, let's tackle this exercise.
King c6.
Black is obliged to move. Pawn b3.
Bishop f5.
Checkmate. Let's continue with the fourth exercise. Find checkmate in two moves. Move to white. All right, let's solve this puzzle.
King b6.
Black is obliged to move. Pawn b3.
Bishop b7.
Checkmate. Let us move forward with the fifth exercise. Find checkmate in two moves. Move to white. Okay, let's tackle this puzzle together.
King c6.
Black is obliged to move.
King a7. Rook a1.
Checkmate. Let's move on to the sixth exercise. Find checkmate in two moves. Move to white. Okay, let's solve this exercise.
King b6. King b8.
Rook h8. Checkmate. Let's go on to the seventh exercise. Find checkmate in two moves. Move to white. Okay, let's solve this exercise together.
King b3.
Black is obliged to move.
King b1. Rook e1.
Checkmate. Follow the flow with the eighth exercise. Find checkmate in two moves. Move to white. Agree, let's find the solution to this puzzle.
King g6. King G8. Rook C8.
Checkmate. Let's take a step forward with the ninth exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves. Move to white. Okay, let's find out the resolution of this puzzle.
King G6.
Black is obliged to move.
King G8. Rook C8.
Checkmate. Let's continue calculating with the 10th exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves. Move to white. Okay, let's find out the resolution of this puzzle.
King D2. Knight B4. Rook F8.
Checkmate. Let's keep the rhythm going with the 11th exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves. Move to white. Okay, now I will show you the solution.
King C6.
Pawn H3.
Rook A8.
Checkmate. Let's proceed with the 12th exercise. Find checkmate in 2 moves. Move to white. Okay, let's look at the solution together.
King G6.
Rook H3.
Rook G8.
Checkmate. This video helped you learn some new techniques and strategies to improve your chess game. Exercises are an essential part of a chess player's training, and you need to make sure you spend time every day practicing and perfecting your skills. So subscribe and improve with the other exercises on the channel as well. No matter if you are a beginner or an experienced player, there is always something new to learn in chess. So keep working hard to become the best player you can be. I hope to see you soon in a future lesson. In the meantime, don't forget to keep practicing and studying strategies to become better and better at chess. With time and hard work, you can become a true master of this amazing game. Remember to work hard to achieve your goals. With determination and dedication, you will become a truly outstanding chess player.